Such a still day, we need the sun to shine on those mojo wings.
Remind me to tell you what I think about small spreads.
You think this is a small spread?
I think this is a big spread.
Yeah. I sometimes like to put a big spread on one side and, you know, just like 4 or 5 on the other. I dropped them. Come back with the dog?
It went in the grass. We'll take a look after. We'll stomp around after.
Okay. There you go. Nice.
We don't really have a pocket either.
I know, that jerk line is kind of just right in the middle.
You want to move it?
After our next bird, I guess. Yeah. On our left coming in. Here he is, take him. He just bottomed up for me. Get ready. One.
I got the one on the left. Got him. There we go.
Good shot, man.
That's a small shot for us.
Yeah, there it is right there. It's flapping. You see it? Keep going to your right. Straight. All right. There's a duck crossing over to our right. Oh wait, no, that's black ibis.
Man. So big.
Next bird we get, I'm gonna fix up my cane here to the right so I can see out that side.
I shot just as many duck as you. I'm like 4 feet out further than you.
Must be nice to have a swamp chair.
It's like being able to see.
I like the smug superiority of feeling like I'm well hidden.
I'm hidden from everything. Shooting lanes, other hunters. Get up! Get up! Hey! I'm glad I found that other duck.
Yeah.
He's right on the edge.
I think that duck I shot is probably 5 to 10 yards out from the...
What are you talking about?
That first bird you shot, I shot its partner. And it fell behind the end of the thing. I thought you were saying that not to go look for it.
Yeah, the one I was saying don't go look for it.
Yeah.
I found it. I did not hit my first duck.
We dropped both of those birds.
I thought we dropped just one.
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because the one I shot fell back behind there.
I think we just dropped one.
Nah, dude, I'm telling you.
I don't know. I found one.
Good. Man, you're not gonna get up and shoot those ducks. I mean, you might get up.
You want to bet I can drop one of those ducks?
I bet you a pan sausage and sauerkraut kolache you're not gonna drop any of those ducks.
Shit, I'll bet you.
There. I got him.
Ooh, good shot.
Oh, here it is.
Nice.
All right. Got this one, and then we got one more still out there. We'll
That's
get
the one you just dropped.
Yeah, that's the one I just dropped. I peppered him good. When these guys pack up, we'll borrow Sadie.
Want to check the video on that? I should have it. I don't think we dropped both those ducks.
And I'm confident we did, dude.
I bet you.
So did I win a kolache? You have not shot a duck on the water.
No, that was a different set of ducks. Duck straight out. 2. No, 3 dozen. Oh.
Hey, go find me a bird. Dead bird, Sadie, dead in here. Fetch it. Dead bird, Sadie, where is it? Find that bird. You can't find it, huh? You're a good girl. You're trying. You're a good girl. Good girl, Sadie. Sadie, where'd you get that bird? Come here. Did you steal that from Jason? Leave it. What's that?
I don't think so.
Did she just find the bird?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
She just found my bird. Or she stole it off of my chin. Good girl, Sadie.
Yeah, she might have gone down there and grabbed it.
Oh, Dad's calling. I have 4 on my lanyard. And I still have 4 on my... Yeah, she found it. Sadie's just like, you had me in the wrong spot the whole time.
Yeah, where'd she get it?
I don't... Man, I turned my back on her. She just came walking up with a bird. It must have been much closer to the edge than I thought.
I'm not too proud to admit that I'm working this jerk rig. And about a minute ago, I was like, there's ducks right there. Like out of the corner of my eye, I was like, oh shit.